Hello, everybody. Right now, so I didn't blog today. I didn't post it my YouTube channel. I too busy try to have more videos on my tablet. Only has to editing, but there has to it's really hard to editing it to edit it. That word, whichever, darn it. I don't matter. The word is really hard to say the word. To edit, and then whichever. Darn it, it's hard to say the word to me. And, oh yeah. I went to Burger King. I got about 7 bags of chicken nuggets. And on right here, I have a hard chicken nuggets. It's amazing, huh? Actually, I want to eat it. My mind, no, don't do it. That's the way to blogging and post this one. I suppose I did post my Twitter and my Facebook and my Snapchat, whichever. I have the heart and chicken nuggets. I might will eat it. And just wait. Well, you do like the shape of heart, the chicken nuggets? Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. It's really cool. It's amazing, Wow. And on my hand, it's big. It's like, well, it's me, Well, you do love the shape of heart, the chicken nuggets. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. Do it 2 times, alright? And share the videos. I'll always see you the next videos. Bye.